just stop what we're doing and come check this out. This has literally just came in from the mail. It was sent straight away from Canada by Rockwell razors, and there's big news coming here. So if you want to know what it is, stay tuned. I'm just going to unpack this. So we had 2 razors on the mail. So let's start with this one, the start of the party. It is a Rockwell T2, but well, what's the difference, you ask? So as I just said, there was some new stuff. Let's unveil this and just take a look at that. That's the brand new Rockwell T2 in stainless steel. So the old version, the previous version, is in zinc, a zinc alloy, and this one is entirely made in stainless steel. Beautiful, beautiful razor. So that's a twist to open for those who don't know. Twist to open means a butterfly opening. You just unscrew the handle over here below and the door opens up. You can just pop in the blade and screw close again. And you have the adjustment knobs here on the top, which is numbered from 1 through 6, 1 being the mildest shave and 6 being the most aggressive shave. So you can, on the go, adjust the knob and you will change the aggressiveness or the efficiency of the razor. So here you are, the T2, completely in stainless steel. It's absolutely beautiful razor. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's take a look, for example, another stainless steel razor from Rockwell, which is the 6S. So you can see here how, well, this finish here is the matte finish. So you can see just for references, this finish over here that I have in my hand is absolutely just like the 6S. There might be new colors in the future, different stuff for the T2. Let's wait for it. Just getting also some confirmation from Rockwell, but here it is. So you see also on the package, you also get a 5-pack of Rockwell blades, as well as this very much and handy sleeve that you can protect when you're putting in your dock kit, in your traveling case. You just protect your head and you won't damage your razor. So really, really cool stuff. I'm looking forward to getting or to try to shave with this. So really, really cool stuff. Looking forward to shaving with this. And yeah, that's absolutely great job from Rockwell. The layout, the look and feel, the grip, and you know, the details are just, I mean, just perfect. Just looking at it, you don't see any weird or marks or imperfections. That is built amazingly, and stainless steel means quality and of course durability. So really looking forward to this. If you want to grab one of those, just go to getrockwell.com, and even if you want some coupon codes, if you want some discounts, you can get 15% off with the coupon BARBA15. I'll leave it, of course, everything on the screen, and you can check it out for yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Well, actually, let's take a look at the other razor. Yeah, so I just said there were 2 razors. This one also a T2. However, it's, let's say, the previous model. Though it's kind of a new razor as well. Let's just take a look. It is the T2 Rose Gold. That's actually a gift for my wife that I just got. So looking forward to giving her this gift. Hope she likes it as much as I did. It's amazing. Really, really beautiful. Nice touch, nice finish. The system mechanisms, of course, identical, though that's not in stainless steel, but absolute beautiful, beautiful razor. Let's just compare the 2 here. And yeah, 2 great options. Valentine's actually coming in very quite soon. So why not to gift your beloved ones with a razor. So don't forget to hit the coupon code BARBA15. Whatever the model you choose, the T2, the 6S, or even a 6C or a 2C, however you like it. Great gifts, great shavers, and great option. So that was it, just a small teaser, unboxing, and all the details, everything is going to be revealed, and I mean much more details on my shaving video. So take a look on YouTube, the Brazilian shaver, aka Barba Tradicional, for more soon, or depends on when we're watching this video, check out for the shaving video and a full review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.